limala kakhulu baconsider uyawubona unyaka nje amadiwa phambili yabona
so this is an opportunity for him to at least bamkhumbule and also as a show
mhlawumbe kuzobe kuyibo-ke la buseleni bengekho ngasho ukuthi hayi
part of us.
All right, let's take you back to the commentary team now for this penalty shootout in the 2024 Kufa Cup between Gallants and Kaizer Chiefs.
So, Manaka the first to step up here against Fulham in a game that ended with a 0-0 scoreline. If you are joining us late, it's a penalty shootout to separate Gallants and Kaizer Chiefs. There's Manaka. Turns the keeper the wrong way. Gallants off to a flying start. And again, the initiative. Captain stepping up first here and leading by example. Hoping his side will follow suit here. Confidence stepping up to Manaka. No worries, it's sending Fumadi the wrong way. And the advantage, nice and early, with a side from the Free State.
Captain ithatha ngokwakhe zama ukunika abadlali bakhe ithemba iKaizer Chiefs ibiza uYusuf Mart obiza uYusuf Mart iKaizer Chiefs kuthi bakazokhaba ipenalty yokuqala ongene njengelalela
kuyamfanela kodwa ufunela uma mara ayizoyibeka yazi ngeke iqala
Yusuf Mart bajongana noBlambo
ayisayibona la mapenalty nje
penalty yokuqala iKaizer Chiefs uyilo Mart upholile wow wayibeka ngaphakathi emnatheni wamlahla uNozinti
awukade ukhaba nje
wamlahla abona ke ipenalty esikhatsha olahlobo siyababulala uNozinti siyababulala uNozinti noba ungaphuma kuqala emgceni noba ungathini kodwa siyababulala.
So, Gallants with a scoreline at 1-1, looking to go into the lead once again here. Fans have had to wait a long time for goals here. Ngodi now stepping up. Looking to maintain the 100% wicket from the spot. Fulham looking to deny them that. Again, the keeper sent the wrong way. Again, it's made to look easy. And well, they've been aggressive from the spots on both sides of the field. So far, job done for the day. Gallants stuck into the lead. 2 on the scoreline.
noma thuke ngahamba phansi le kude kaje baba izima yakho kude ke
advantage Maromo Gallants kuza urefrost ngoku kubizwa indoda edlala ngasemva
themba badlali
kubizwa penalty zontathu zikhatywe kakuhle awuba uMlambo angayibamba le angaba intandane awuba angayibamba lena
ngale yamini
angaba
kakhulu
intandane oyile Chiefs
eyibamba phakathi ngiyakhumbula
kubonakaliswa amafa uba ipenalty sikhatywa njani na
phela kushintsha mayishaya
phakamise nje urefrosa inhloko
bawapractice
wajonga ngasekhohlo wathi zayikhabela ngapho waphuma uMlambo kanti uzayibeka kwenye ikona
angibonanga nami nasengizwa ngale ndoda
It's Matiani now to step forward here for Maromo Gallants. We've seen perfect penalties up to this point. Matiani looking to keep the clock times rolling. Says the keeper.
yo bazogeja la
Keepers have come nowhere
Lo
close to
phela
these
nje
penalties. Been of such quality.
ihle ipenalty phezulu yona inhle mara
So
sometimes
Gallants leading 3-2 the scoreline. This is the
Because I
latest
bummed
of
very
the
quickly.
few teams we've seen so far in this penalty
hayi
shootout.
akayi
Matiani,
igolikipa phezulu
job done
akekho
for
nje
the day.
ukumbona yaphezulu mayiphezulu penalty
wayibetha
oh
phezulu
kwena icala
emfadleni
ngapha oh
iKaizer Chiefs
hayi
ukuthi
ubalile
angene
ukuthi
izenani
izoya
madoda
kangaphi
bezokhabana
ngapho
nini penalty
no. Iyamfanela ngoba iyamfanela futhi fanele ukuthi ashayele penalty yena ezovela iphase ngithiwa kanje. Iyamfanela.
Advantage Marom Galangs Ndlobo. Aba ngeqina lasekhohlo ke uzayibuka uyile. Wasikinqa.
Yabamba uzima manje. Yabona.
Anqaku mathathu macala amabini ku-3-3 uNgcobo elaqina lasekhohlo uKagiso ufike sekwaphula ibhola ezinje yazobungozi baziyakhawuleza.
Pretty close then. Did Mlambo touch onto that and unable to keep it out. So they maintain the 100% record.
PSL.
Shabazani, no? Up against Fuma. Looking to make it 4-3 in favor of Gallants.
Oh, shoot, that's a good man. No, beseyishaya ngoba nakhe sebona uvumo ukuthi lokho yangapha evele ishaya ngapha la seshintsha khona uvumo.
And the man that's come into this match off the bench in the second half is the first to be denied by one of the two goalkeepers. Guess what, Jeffuma? May have overshot it just a bit in diving to the right, but still, his legs coming good. And Chiefs now could very well get the advantage.
Aqala amava kaVuma abonakala ngoku. Yaqala i-experience kaVuma iyabonakala. Kaizer Chiefs masibona uba bazayithina le nto. Ingaba bazayithatha i-advantage beqicala labo.
Defender.
Asijongele i-penalty.
I know, still saying it.
Abethu uqwampu. Advantage Kaizer Chiefs ngoku.
Sesevimbeka sekanje
Into ixhomekeke kuMarumo Gallants. uBruce Fuma waya kuye wathi mntanam jonge nje laa penalty indlela la bhola ikhatywe ngamandla ipower ibigcwele.
Pressure. Some serious pressure on Mlambo. Came in, 3 minutes to go before the match was done and dusted. Hardly on a touch. Steps up last year to take a must score for Marumo Gallants. Otherwise, Chiefs are the inaugural Kufa Cup champions. Yes, right. Strong hands onto it. In situations such as this, over the years, has a Chiefs goalkeeper, whether it be a Brian Malloy, Itumeleng Khune, and many others before them, as the goalkeeper being the hero for Kaizer Chiefs. This time it's Fuma. And for the many Chiefs fans out there, well, they may not have taken part in the MTN 8 at the start of the season. Here they are, Kufa Cup, and
yadlala isabanda vele isazohlala.
Kodwa xa siyozibuza uba uPaula ebesenzani kula penalty. Umenje phezu kwebhola wathi ogqiba wayixothula uVuma besembona.